Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Bank of America. They're offering a nationwide $100 checking account bonus. And before we jump into too many details about this, I do have a quick disclaimer. So, I am a customer of Bank of America. I have been for years. I am not affiliated by them. I am not endorsed by them. They don't have any type of referral program at all. This video is for informational purposes only, and all the information is current as the time of this recording. All right. So when was the last time your bank paid you $100 for your direct deposit, and you can catch this every 12 months? So that is a pretty sweet deal. One other thing I wanted to mention was I do have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. If you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely do appreciate that. So this is my family fishing for fish, and this is showing how to fish for a much bigger offer, $300 checking account bonus through Bank of America. I've done this multiple times. It does work. If you're interested in how to snag $300 bonuses instead of the nationwide $100 bonus, I do have a link to this video up here. So there's that. All right, so here's what they currently have to offer. This is a nationwide offer. Promotions, bankofamerica.com. Choose your checking 100. You can get $100 for opening a new checking account. $100 new account offer. See offer details. We'll talk about this right here. How to qualify. Step one, enroll in the offer. Open a new Bank of America personal checking account through this offer page by August 31, 2023. Step two, get a qualifying direct deposit totaling $1,000 or more within 90 days of account opening, limited to new personal checking account customers only. So we're going to talk about exactly what it means by being a new personal checking account customer. Here's the offer code, which you do need to plug in when opening the account. So by new, here's what I mean by new personal checking account owners. Offer is available online only, limited to individuals who have not owned or co-owned a Bank of America personal checking account in the last 12 months. So basically, open the account, catch the bonus, shut it down, wait 12 months. You get a new one. Fiduciary accounts are not eligible for this. You can see the rest of this. Here is the code on here. I have not signed up for this one. I currently do not have a Bank of America personal checking offer. I'm still fishing, waiting for the $300 email. So there is that. Link to this offer here. You can screenshot this, type it into a new tab. You can hit the QR code. I have a link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. Just ask for the Bank of America $100 offer, and I will get that to you quickly. All right, so here's the three different offers they have for checking accounts. They have a safe balance account, a Advantage Plus banking, and a relationship banking account. You either have $4.95 or zero, 12 or zero, 25 or zero maintenance fees. To me, the easier one to have with either less fee or have it fee free, the better. It's been probably a couple of years since I've had one of these personal accounts. Last account I had was business account, which I got a nice bonus off of that one. So the math on this return is $100 off 1,000. That is a 10% return on $1,000 in direct deposits. That is very nice. So there is that. So here's a second question. Hey, getting a savings account. One of the goals for this channel is to educate people about savings and savings accounts. So a lot of people out there, they have savings accounts. I just did a video about Wells Fargo. This one is about Bank of America. And then next one we're going to be talking about Chase. A lot of people have a lot of money in there, and they're getting close to zero for it. So should you open up a Bank of America savings account? So I have no problem with you opening up the checking account, getting the $100 bonus, or if you can fish and catch the $300 bonus. Here's what they have to offer. This is as of yesterday when I put these slides together. So if you're just somebody off the street, you don't have any relationship with them, if you have less than 2,500, you get 0.01%. If you have more than 2,500 in a savings account, you get the same 0.01%. Well, Bank of America, hey, they also have their preferred rewards. They want to reward loyalty, right? How much do they reward loyalty? Well, they have different tiers. They got a gold tier, a platinum tier, and a Platinum Honors tier. So you can see that the interest rates definitely go up: 0.01%, 0.02%, 0.03%, 0.04%. Keep in mind, 0.01% is literally the lowest amount of interest a bank can pay you and say that they're actually paying you something. This is basically like absolutely nothing. Especially if you look at it, it says Platinum Honors tier and higher. So if you're higher than Platinum Honors, so I'm going to show you the highest you can get is 0.04%, which is like ridiculously low. So here's your tiers, what they look like. Your gold tier is 20,000 to 50,000. Platinum is 50,000 to 100,000. Platinum Honors 100,000 to a million. Diamond tier is 1 million to 10 million. So if you have that much money, you're making that little interest. That is honestly a little bit embarrassing because they don't have their savings rate's really not impressive. No monthly maintenance fee for its statement cycles. This is how to keep it fee free. It's $8 per month if you don't meet the requirements of at least $500 in there. So if you're at $495, and they're going to ding you $8, and just to make $8 off this is a huge thing. So here's the question: doesn't Bank of America realize that the Fed has raised interest rates by like a lot, and it sounds like they're about to raise the interest rates again next month? So sure, but they don't want to pay you money for your savings. They'd rather make additional profits. So let's compare Bank of America savings with One Finance. I am an affiliate for One Finance, by the way. I absolutely love what they have to offer. Their thing is so much better. They literally are offering, if you're going to compare 0.01% to 5%, you're looking at 5,000% more interest. So here's what they offer for One Finance: 5% up to 100,000. So if you put in 5,000 or more, or do some direct deposit things in there, then you can easily get 5%, which is phenomenal. That's the best thing going as of right now, up to $100,000. So that is the limit, up to 100,000, with no monthly fees or minimum balances. So that is a phenomenal thing. So if we're going to compare Bank of America to One Finance, which one would win if we put $10,000 in both of those accounts? So I'm not saying max out 100,000. A lot of people don't have that much. So realistically, if you got an emergency fund, like Dave Ramsey says, you should have. So if you put 10,000 in there, what would that look like? So the top tier. So we're going to go Platinum or whatever. You put 10,000 into your account, you're going to make $4. Yeah. $4 in 1 year, in 12 months, off of $10,000. That is not much. So if you get to $495 1 month, they'll charge you $8. I mean, yeah, so that is really, really, really not impressive. It costs a lot of money for the banks to operate all those brick and mortar locations. But if you have 10,000 in One Finance savings account, you'll make $500. That is a huge, huge, huge difference. Definitely recommend checking out the Bank of America $100 offer. See if you can snag some of the $300 offers through the phishing that I talk about in the other video. If you're interested in signing up for the One Finance checking account, the savings account. Well, they do also have checking account. Here's the link to their offer. I am an affiliate with them. That's why I got the bank bonus tag at the back. Here's a QR code for this. There's a link in the description box down below. And you can always reach me at churningadventures@gmail.com. I did make a full video about One Finance, which to me, you can make a lot more money off of this than off the Bank of America $100. But you can still make money off Bank of America and through other ways. They also have really good business checking bonuses. Next time one of those comes out, that's really nice, then I'll make a video on that. But link to the One Finance video here, how to make up to 5,000. If you do have 100,000, you can make 5,000 off that, like real easy. So instead of having your money at Wells Fargo or Bank of America, One Finance is the better choice by far. So bank account bonus central verdict. I have been a repeat new customer of Bank of America for years, both for personal and business checking accounts. Take advantage of what Bank of America has to offer as often as their terms and conditions allow. As far as savings accounts, don't go with Bank of America. Mathematically, it doesn't make sense. Join me at One Finance. So there is that. So I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, or criticisms, hit me up, churningadventures@gmail.com. And I will get back to you quickly And here's today's question: where can I find joy in this life? So joy is one of those things that so many people it eludes. We can find happiness in happenstances and circumstances. We have a good day, we feel happy, but joy is long lasting. So here's the Bible says about that. Psalm 16:11, King James says, "You'll show me the path of life. In your presence is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore." So in God's presence, there is fullness of joy. So that's Old Testament, New Testament, John 15:11. "These things I've spoken to you, that my joy may remain in you, and that your joy may be full." So that's a really cool promise from Jesus. What things have He spoken? What things uh, has He spoken that your joy may remain full? Check it out, John chapter 15, and the rest of John. Definitely recommend Scripture. It's an awesome place. One of my favorite scriptures is Colossians 3:16. May the words of Christ dwell richly within you. Why? Because you can have joy as a result of that. How to follow Jesus? Questions about this is at gotquestions.org. Got a link in the description box for that. One thing that does hold people back from a close relationship with God is addictions. I want to see people be spiritually free. I want to see people be financially free. And nobody can become spiritually free if you have any sort of addiction. I don't care if it's internet addiction, alcohol, drugs, pornography, or anything like that. So, Covenant Eyes, I am an affiliate for them as well. If you check out their link, which is in the description box down below, you get your first 30 days free. See if this is something that will benefit you and your family. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate it. Like the video. If you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. And with that, look forward to seeing the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.